Hey, good morning, everybody, and a very happy Thursday to you. It is November 20th, 10:47 a.m. We're going to get this done because I started this much later than I wanted to. Anyway, so if we take a look at our Natural History Museum cam, our Intermountain Health cam, our mountain camera, you can see that dense, low-lying cloud cover. It is not going to be a good-looking day, a lot like yesterday, but we're actually getting some valley rain across Salt Lake City. Just right now, spittles. That's what I call them. It's just spittling. We're seeing that satellite and radar. It's not too bad, but we do have showers moving throughout central Salt Lake County. We're seeing that a little bit for Davis and Weber, picking some up, Morgan, western Summit County, southern Utah County. And we're also getting some rain snow across Grant and San Juan. Areas in that, I should say, cities within that area are going to be under that winter weather advisory. We're also picking some light pockets up throughout Kane there. Temperatures pretty close to where we were at this time yesterday. Mid to upper 40s for Salt Lake and Provo, low 40s for Delta, Milford. Pretty chilly there still for St. George, hanging on to right around freezing for Bryce, mid to upper 40s for Blanding, Moab, Page. It's chilly for Evanston, upper 30s for Logan. Today's highs will be still slightly above average. We should be sitting in the upper 40s for Salt Lake, but we'll make it to the low 50s for Salt Lake, Provo, Delta, Milford, Price, Cedar City, Richfield, mid to upper 50s for St. George. So once again, not a very good looking day. And that's all because we're getting the back end of that low that has shifted eastward. Now there's a winter weather advisory for areas, that southeast pocket of Grand. We're talking eastern San Juan, LaSalle Mountains, Abajo Mountains, 3 to 8 inches above 9,500. So that's a pretty high snow line. Let's take a look at what the HRR is doing. The HRR is a model, HRR. HRRR, 3 R's. When I got here, all the other meteorologists called it the HRRR, and I was like, do we not call it the HRR? Weather's really weird. Meteorology, I should say, because the majority of what I know as far as lingo is concerned is what I've learned from other Mets. So I truly don't know. Anyway, so scattered rain showers, mainly across the higher terrain, but getting some valley showers this afternoon across northern Utah. Not much precip, honestly. And it kind of taken a different path where it looks like we're going to get the heavier stuff late morning, early afternoon, and then by mid to late day, clearing out quite a bit. And then by Friday, looking pretty good. Still hanging on to a few showers across that northeast corner, but overall, not too bad for our Friday. And that storm system that looked like it was going to track across southern Utah looks like it's just going to kind of stay to the south of Utah. So not much precip will come from that third round, which is doing whatever it wants to do. I swear. I've never seen a low behave like this. It's just like, I'm going to come 2 days early. Just kidding. I'm going to wait 2 days later. And then I was going to give you rain, but I don't feel like it anymore. That's what that low's doing. Speaking of rain, not much. Few hundredths of an inch, and the majority of that precip will come into early tomorrow morning as well. So we'll get around this afternoon and then into early tomorrow morning. So overall, it's just going to look pretty cloudy out there, rather ominous. And then into early tomorrow morning. Snow, not much. East of 15. 1 to 3 additionally. Near Carbon, Emery. Sanpete, Sevier, Paiute, and then South Central Utah. Okie dokie, artichoke. Let's take a look at these 70s. Low 50s. Today, tomorrow. Becoming sunny. Looking pretty good. And then that cold front that's going to be dry for northern Utah will move through, bringing in some much cooler air in the mid to upper 40s. So, dry cold front. Wee. Not looking too bad for southern Utah. We'll make it back to the upper 50s, low 60s in early next week. And that cold front will be bringing in some cooler air, potentially some morning frost. So, southern Utah, if you've been avoiding bringing your sensitive vegetation, maybe you have some tropical plants that you keep in pots outside, bring those babies in. Keep them warm. All right, everybody. This was a quick update, but I just wanted to let you know what was going on. So a little bit messy still out there, on and off pockets throughout your afternoon, and then late tonight into early tomorrow morning, a few light showers, and then not bad for the weekend. Pretty nice. All right, everybody. I hope you have a good day. I will be on air here in about 7 minutes. So if you're free, join me. Fox 13. See you there. Bye.